Ukraine, leaders of Task Force Carentan, 2nd Brigade Combat Team, 101st Airborne Division, Air Assault, guide Ukrainian observers and controllers during a battalion-level field exercise at the Combat Training Center, Yavoriv, July 3 to 5. Task Force Carentan deployed in support of the Joint Multinational Training Group, Ukraine, an ongoing partnership with the Ukrainian Armed Forces to guide Ukrainian observers and controllers at the Combat Training Center, Yavoriv, the 95th Air Assault. Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces is in its 5th week of training. Battalion-level training concludes with 3 days of field training culminating in a field drill. The rare presence of air assault and airborne units from various countries has allowed for the exchange of valuable knowledge and learning. Leaders from the 95th Air Assault Brigade incorporated NATO interoperable practices established during a multinational scenario demonstration of air assault operations conducted at the start of the rotation. The training event ended with a series of air assault operations, in which the Ukrainian Army used Mi-8 helicopters to quickly deliver combat power to key points of their objectives. Major Nathan Barlow, the battalion's senior training group mentor, attested to the value of shared experience in conducting air assault operations.
Kennedy, are you with First Squad now? Okay.
Hey, it looks like most of the company.
You're my bravo.
Way back there, and they went to that other road. I see them moving.
Where are they?
The use of Ukrainian aircraft increased the training intensity for the 95th Air Assault Brigade's battalion-level exercise, commented Barlow. Over the past few weeks, all our multinational partners have shared their airstrike experiences in combat and training. Today we finally got to see what Ukrainian airstrikes look like in action. American mentors were also joined by multinational partners from Canada, Denmark, Lithuania, Poland, and the United Kingdom. As the 95th Air Assault Brigade transitions to brigade-level training, Task Force Carentan continues to guide the Ukrainian Armed Forces as they build combat training center capabilities.
As quick as possible. Alright, so I want to make sure that everyone is really close to each other. Alright?
Το μάθημα χρειάζεται πλέον από μήνες έξω, μήνες μέσα. Ξέρω να σου πω ότι αυτοί οι δύο συνεργάζονται πολύ καλά μεταξύ τους, θα πούν αυτοί οι δύο μαχρές.
And then we'll focus. Alright? Hey, we're going to go on 3. Ένα λάθη, εσύ. 3, 1, 2, 3.
Ό,τι διαθάσω τίποτα, καλύψτε με στο κτίριο.
Πολύ μεγάλο το κτίριο για δύο ομάδες.